So hello guys. So in this video I'm going to explain you about access modifier. Before going to the abstraction, I prefer to go with the access modifier topic because this protected is used in abstraction. So there are four types of access modifier. So access modifier is nothing, it's a keyword which decides the visibility like class, methods or other members field. It decides the visibility that from where the class should be accessed. So there are four types of access modifier, that is public, private, protected and default. So first we will learn about the public. So here we have created one package, that is access modifier. In that we have created one school package. So here we create one class, that is student, and all the fields in students they are public, and whatever the methods also they are in public. Now we will run this via test method. So we have to create student object, student dot new and student. Okay, student dot name, like we have to write here, we can write here Ram. Student that age we can write here 12. Okay, so this is different package, and this test is a different package, but still we can able to access these fields or whatever the method inside it, like say hello, because it's a public. We can also access it from the same package. Suppose we try to run it, so it will print hello. Okay, suppose same, I can paste it over inside the same package, so it can be accessible. Okay, so public is not when you want the method, field or class to be universally accessible. With throughout project, if you add public for methods or fields, so it can access throughout the project. Okay, and now it's time for private. So private is like, suppose suppose I create right here private. So when you write this private, so it is not accessible to anywhere, not within the package. The name suppose what is the error is showing that name has private access within this package. Okay, same for error goes for different package, the private access modifier, because we have created this private, but it is not showing for the this method because this method is public. Suppose I create here private, so it will also give the same error for say hello also. So it is like encapsulation, means we can use this within the class scope only. So private is nothing but the when you want to hide implementation details and enforce the encapsulation. So if you use private access modifier, then that scope is within this student class only, the default modifier, access modifier. So if you are not using any public, private or protected keyword, so in that case by default it goes as a default access modifier. Access modifier, so if you remove this, it will not give error in this package because this this field, student field, we are creating object, we are using it, their fields, their method, that present in the same package. It is also called as package private. If you name that field as a default, so it is not accessible from the external package. We can use it in the same package. So the test class, this package is a different package. So the here it's showing the error is not public. So we cannot use from the different package if you set this variable or method name access modifier as a default, and that is also suppose, and this class is also we can make as a default. So we can't create an object from outside. So this test package is outside package. So we cannot create object of student. Access modifier is not public. So we cannot create object from outside the package, but we can use it and create object. We can use this field within the package. We can do whatever you want to do within the package. Default modifier is nothing but when you want field or method to be accessible only within the same package but not exposed to the other package, in that case you can use the default access modifier. The last one is protected. So protected is access modifier that when you want the field or method to be accessible to the subclass or other class in the same package, in that case you can use a protected. I will explain you. We have created one package that is vehicle. In that we have class that is vehicle class, and we make his field as a protected, and this method is also write as a protected. And we have created a different package that is car, and that in that car we have extend the vehicle, that is car is a vehicle. So vehicle is, in that case vehicle is a parent, and we have created the constructor and we have created the show detail method. So here, so this dot brand dot Tesla, so we can access because this brand is mentioned in the parent only. Okay, and that is that is from a different package. Vehicle is a different package and car is a different package. And when you try, and this brand is from parent, so this brand is refers to the parent brand, parent field. We can able to access because of this extended keyword. Okay, so after that we have created this method that is show detail. So in this we can access this display brand, so that is mentioned in the vehicle class. So this is a concrete method we have mentioned in the vehicle class, and if I remove this, so we can't access it because of the protected keyword. We can access it and we are extending the vehicle to the car. So if you try to run it to object, okay, so we have to import this. Okay. So it is showing vehicle brand is Tesla. Why? Because this brand is initializing the vehicle field. It is, so in vehicle there is generic vehicle, but because of this dot brand test light is overriding. Now you will say, what if I write here brand? This field, subclass field and parent class field is same. So this refers to the this field only. Okay. So if you try to run it, it will not give Tesla, it will give generic vehicle. So if you don't mention it anything, if there is no common field from car and vehicle, so in that case this dot refers to the parent class field, but no point to use this field in a car. If you want to use this field, if you are writing this field brand in a car, so why you are writing in brand field over here? We directly use this vehicle, the parents field, so there is no point, so we can remove this. Okay, same. So there is, if you are using this, if you are creating this field as a protected, or you are creating this method as a protected, you can use these fields and the methods in other package if you are extending this vehicle to that subclass. And if you are using, if you want to use this field or this method within the package, so there is no need of using the extend keyword, so don't need to extend this vehicle. For example, I have created the same package, I have created one class that is car, and inside I have created the same, that is constructor, then we have created the method, that all the fields same from this car, that is this car is from other package. Okay, so here instead of using this, I have created the object of vehicle and call this here, initialize the brand. Then I have created, using this vehicle, I have called this method display. Okay, within same package we can accessible when you use protected keyword. Suppose now I have created the object car dot new car, then car dot show details. If I try to run it, it will show this vehicle brand is Honda. Correct. So within package, when you use protected keyword within package, it is accessible. But if you want to use in other package, you have to use the extended keyword to extend that vehicle or that parent class. In that case, you can able to use their fields. You can able to use this field. So this is about the protected. So we'll summarize it in that act this modifier. So public, same class, subclass, same package, it is accessible. Subclass, different package, it is accessible. Non subclass, it is accessible. Protected, same class is accessible. Subclass, same package, it is accessible. And subclass, this is important, subclass in different package, it is accessible or not a subclass. In default, same class we can accessible. In default, it's considered of same package we can accessible. Say subclass different package you are not able to accessible, not a subclass. So private we can accessible within the same class. So all right guys, so this is all about the access modifier. Thank you.